All right, so this is GBP card. So GBP card, I'm currently on a 16 hours time frame, and what do I see? So on this time frame, what I do see is what we have a bearish structure. We have head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So what I would do here, looking at this structure, the first thing that comes in mind is to draw my fake fan here. So going from A to B. So we already have a breakout and price is almost already here. And because of this resistance here that is created here, price is not going for a retest in this case. So you would expect a continuation move to hit the SP1 here. And at the break of this level here, you expect GBP card to drop. So that is a simple breakdown of GBP card. So with that in mind, what I would like to do in this case is I'll draw this line here. I did a I did a markup on BTC and I edited a fan. Someone saw it and like, that's a random line. I'm like, okay. Because the thing is, I can do whatever I want to do. Like, I can do this, right? Put this line here. If I don't want to show you what I did, I can just delete this. So when you see this, I'm like, this is take profits. And this is take profit. Someone sees this and you'll be like, okay. But mostly what I want to do is I want to take profit to align with the structure point. So with the fan, the TP actually would be around this level here before, because the fan kind of coincide with this structure here. Maybe a little higher on the wick. So something like that. That would be the TP level. And the next TP level here would be this low here. Or maybe that level here. So I'll just draw a zone like that. So I can also take this off and keep this like that. So here you can now scale down. So on the 2-hour time frame, this is how I'll be looking at GBP card. I'll look at a retest here and a drop here. That gives a very decent trade here. So in this case, you'll be looking at something like 1:2, so stop just above here. 1:2.6 risk reward ratio. But when we break here, this is where we are coming to. So you can have a second trade with TP1 here and TP2 all the way here, anticipating the break. So if we break, the next trade would be 8.0 risk to reward ratio, right? So this is how I would take the trade. If we get a pullback here and a nice rejection, I'll take first sell here, 1:2.6. And the second sell, targeting this level here. If price rejects here, I'll close. If it breaks below, I'll hold it to 1.8 risk to reward ratio.